This is Miss Jones, and I am the owner of K&D Jones Client Services LLC. And today I'm going to do a quick video for you all to show you what equipment is needed to become a work from home agent using the Arise platform. Before we get started, please be sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as to hit the little bell in order to be able to get notifications of all the new videos that we will be posting. So, the main things that you're going to need as a work from home customer service agent and using the Arise platform is going to be a computer. So I'm going to actually just write this down here for you. It's going to be a compatible computer. So you're going to need to have a computer, which you can use a laptop, a desktop. It does have to be compatible, which we'll take a look at that now. You will need to have a landline phone, a call center phone that's going to hook up to that landline phone service. You will also need to have your own internet modem and a USB headset for certification training. So, in order to be able to get information about what is a compatible computer, you can head over to our website, which is kdjonescs.com. And if you were to click on the store, they are located on this page. You will see the workstation requirements document. Now, we do work with an affiliate partner, which is Work From Home Equipment Solutions, that does provide all compatible equipment as well as other accessory items that you may be using when you're working from home. So if you go through and you click on the workstation requirements document, which is located right here, it's going to bring up the Arise Virtual Solutions document that you can view the exact specifications of everything that you will need. So it's going to go over PC requirements, Mac requirements, any type of accessories, ASD, AVG, and more. Now, you don't have to worry about at this point in time the ASD or AVG, okay? But in this video, again, you can go through and you can see all of the requirements for the equipment. So for example, regarding the computer equipment, again, you can use a laptop or a desktop. If you are going to use a laptop, it does have to be hardwired to your modem, because you're not able to be on Wi-Fi on the Arise network, okay? So it does have to be hardwired. You can simply just go through and take an Ethernet cord and hook one end to your laptop and then the other end to your modem, and then you're good to go. Just turn the Wi-Fi button off on your laptop. Now, what you're looking for when you're looking at this document, and the reason why I see certain or quite a few people that do not pass, this is the main reason why they do not pass, the compatibility for the PC check is going to be the CPU speed and the PC requirements for that. So if you have any of the following of those particular CPU systems, those are not compatible. So you have Atom, Celeron, Pentium, or Opteron processors, those processors are not permitted. So when you actually go through and you register with our IBO, you can go through and do a PC check from the system to be able to check your PC compatibility, or as well, you can always check your workstation requirements against this particular document as well if you would like to go through and do it manually. So for example, if you're wanting to go through and you're going shopping for a laptop, so let's say you don't already have a laptop or a desktop, or you do, you just want to see, you want to get another one. My biggest thing is to go through and just print out this document, which you can directly from our website, print it out and take it with you if you're going to the store. So you can go ahead and compare it to what you need to purchase to be compatible. If you're going to purchase it online, like for example, if you go to walmart.com and you bring up the laptops, you can actually go through and compare it from there. So you will notice, like for example, you have this one, which the processor type is Intel. You have this one, which is AMD. So you'll notice like those would be compatible. There'll be others that you will go through and you will notice that will not be compatible. So always check and see what that CPU is first. And again, go ahead and compare it to the workstation requirements document. Other things that are not committed is like all-in-one computers. So make sure that you go through and you just read the system requirements all the way through and compare it to whatever type of processor system that you plan on purchasing, okay? So like this one right here, this cellular on, this is on the workstation requirements. It's not a compatible processor. So just make sure that you're going through and you're comparing it, whether you're taking it to the store to purchase it in person or whether or not you're going to go ahead and purchase it online. And again, you can go through and compare the rest of the requirements that are needed as well. Just keep in mind too that you do need to have a Windows 10 or Windows 8 and higher as well. Okay. As you're going through here, you will also see the Mac requirements, so that is listed on this document as well, and any type of accessories. So for example, you would need to have a headset, like a USB headset, so it would be something similar to this. You can use any brand. You want to make sure that it is a noise canceling one. That is something that you would use for certification training. You will also need to have like an call center type of phone. What this is a dial pad, and it has a headset that's attached onto it. And this dial pad is attached to your landline phone. So your landline phone cord will actually go through that to the back of that dial pad. Okay, so you do want to make sure that you do have that as well. Again, we do work with an affiliate partner, Work at Home Equipment Solutions. So if you were to simply click this button here, it would automatically take you to their website where you can go through and purchase compatible computers, USB headsets, call center phones, and much more. But again, even these here you can purchase from like Amazon, things like that. They're not really available in stores. USB headsets, you probably find those in stores, but call center phones, you would not be able to. That is something that you would need to purchase on online typically. Now, it does give you a breakdown of the landline phone service and your internet service, okay? So it gives you a specification. So if you're going through to try to make sure that your internet provider is something that is compatible, this is something that you want to look for. If you're needing to get a landline phone, this is also something too that you want to refer to make sure that your system is actually going to be compatible, okay? So you're not able to use cell phones like Magic Jacks, anything like that. It does have to be a plain old telephone line service, business service, or a digital line service. But again, it does have the exact breakdown of exactly what you do need. So if you have any questions regarding any equipment, again, you can go to our website, which is katiejonescs.com. And if you click on the store, you can simply just click on the workstation requirements. I do encourage you to go through, print out those workstation requirements. That way you can be set and be ready to go to have your equipment so you can start working from home. Again, I just wanted to do a short video to let you know exactly what you need to get started. I am here to assist you with getting started working from home using the Arise platform. Again, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as to be sure to hit the little bell so you can get notifications of other videos just like ours. And again, we are hiring more customer service representatives to actually join our team of remote agents that we do have working with us through the Arise platform. So you can see that information, which I will put a link below the video as well regarding that. And again, you can always go to our website and click on Apply Today after you review the FAQs. And we do review applications within 48 business hours. I hope this video was helpful for you to be able to go through and get the equipment that you do need in order to start working from home. I'll talk to you soon.